अरे मॅडम असतील तर switch करून देतात. हॅलो. नाही रे सर, आवाज येतोय? नैरे सर जॉईन झालेत. महाले सर, नैरे सर जॉईन झालेत ना?
सर इंगोले सर पण नाही अजून.
इंगोले सर जॉईन झालेत की? जॉईन होत जॉईन. नाही नैरे सर दिसत आहेत जॉईन झालेले, बट ते सर जॉईन झाले होते. समीर भुसाला सर जॉईन झाले होते. मला होस्ट करायला सांगू. हॅलो महाले सर.
हा बोला सर.
ते इंगोले सरांना को होस्ट करा.
इंगोले सर
रेकॉर्डिंग करतील ते.
तुम्हाला केलेलं आहे मी पोस्ट. तुम्हाला आणि समीर सरांना केलंय.
नाही नेटवर्क मध्ये गेला तर प्रॉब्लेम येईल.
बर. इंगोले सर कुठे आहेत?
हा आहेत की आहेत जॉईन झाले.
हा आहे.
हा हा हा
केलं बघा सरांना.
येस येस येस.
रेकॉर्डिंग क्लाउड करा. इंगोले सर.
इंगोले सर
क्लाउड रेकॉर्डिंग करा असं सांगा.
क्लाउड रेकॉर्डिंग करा, क्लाउड रेकॉर्डिंग. हा, क्लाउड रेकॉर्डिंग.
क्लाउड म्हणजे पीसी मध्ये नका सेव्ह करू.
हा,
आय विल डू
पीसी
दिस.
मध्ये नका करू सेव्ह.
ओके, आय विल डू
तुम्ही
दिस.
ओके 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 सर, करते.
नाही रे सर.
तेच नैरे सरांचा आवाज म्हणजे काय काय. हॅलो नैरे सर, जॉईन आहेत ना नैरे सर?
नैरे सर
हॅलो
आहेत. नैरे
नैरे.
सर. ओके.
हॅलो
नैरे सर जॉईन व्हा.
हा हॅलो सर.
हा बोला सर.
हा हा जॉईन झालो. सरांना एकदा फोन करा ना, प्रिन्सिपल सरांना.
प्रिन्सिपल सरांचा फोन आला होता,
सर
ते
म्हटलं
नाही
की
आहेत. सर नाही आहेत.
हा हा
सर
मग
मी केली व्यवस्था.
ओके मॅडम आहेत का, चेतना मॅडम वगैरे? मग
चेतना मॅडमांना विचारा.
बरं चालतंय. मग कोण इंट्रोड्यूस आपलं बेस करणार आहेत का आजचं हे सर? ओके.
निकम सर आणि
हा
तुम्ही बोला.
बरं
कन्वे करा मेसेज.
चालेल. ओके.
नैरे सर,
तुम्ही
तुम्हीच करा म्हटलं.
हा
काय इंट्रोड्यूस का आपल्या कॉलेज बद्दल का?
हा 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 हा.
बरं.
मॅडमना फोन नाही का केला, चेतना मॅडमना?
मॅडमला करू का फोन मग?
हा, तुम्ही करतो म्हटलेलं ना, केला तर बरं होईल.
बरं, लगेच करतो मॅडमांना फोन करू. मला वाटलं सर आहेत म्हटलं. अरे बरं ठीक
नाही
आहे.
सर नाही आहेत.
बरं, मॅडमांना करतो लगेच.
हो.
ओके.
एकदा नैरे सर आले का जेव्हा?
हॅलो सर.
हॅलो.
हा निकम सर. शुड वी प्रोसीड नाउ?
मॅडम नाही आहेत का?
नाही 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 मॅडम नाही लागला, फोन नाही लागला सर.
ठीक आहे चालतंय.
ओके ओके
ओके ओके करूया सुरू मग. सर समीर सर जॉईन झाले?
हा येस 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 सर आहेत सर आहेत सर आहेत.
ओके ओके ठीक. हॅलो.
हा हॅलो सर. हॅलो.
Hello. Okay. Good evening to all. I am Professor Vishal Nikam from Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pune. Welcome to all in the national level webinar, Advanced Techniques in Online Teaching, jointly organized by the Department of Mathematics, Physics and Geography. I heartily welcome to all for this function. So let us proceed this function with our proud and pride of a national anthem. So I request to Mahale sir to play our national anthem. Thank you. So I request to Mahale sir for the recorded message of principal sir.
On behalf of the ACS College Onde, I welcome our guest speaker. It is a golden opportunity for us, and so I request participants to concentrate on the presentation and take maximum advantage of the valuable time of our guests. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahale sir. Now this national level webinar built with the intent that every faculty student should aware about the online teaching. So I request to Professor Nahire sir for the introductory speech of today's webinar.
Yeah, sir. First of all, our chairman's address, sir. Honorable Vijay Patel Sahib is there. Yeah. So I request to Mahale sir.
नमस्कार. कला वाणिज्य विज्ञान महाविद्यालय ओंदे तालुका विक्रमगड जिल्हा पालघर या महाविद्यालयातर्फे होणाऱ्या वेबिनारला माझ्या अध्यक्ष म्हणून हार्दिक शुभेच्छा आहेत. हे वेबिनार यशस्वी करण्यासाठी आपल्या सगळ्यांची सहकार्य असावं अशी अपेक्षा आहे. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, Mahale sir. Now I request to Professor Nahire sir for introductory speech of today's function.
Okay, sir. Okay. Good evening, all. Myself, Assistant Professor Dinesh J. Nahire, Head Department of Geography, Arts, Commerce and Science, College Onde, Vikramgarh, District Palghar. Very first, I am very much thankful to Honorable Vichi Patil Sahib, President of Sanjeevan Grameen Vaidyakiya and Samajik Sahayata Pratishthan Onde, and the Chairman of our college also, as well as Principal Dr. H.M. Pednekar sir, for organizing this national level webinar on advanced techniques in online teaching. Very first of all, I would like to introduce about our college as well as the institution. Our institution has been started in the very tribal area of the Palghar district. It is in the Vikramgarh Tehsil of Palghar district. When our college has begun, at that time, a lot of difficulties have been faced by our Honorable President Sahib. But apart from all the difficulties, he has to be overcome the difficulties, and very successfully he has started our college. Our college has been established in the year 2002. It started with 170 students. Now there are more than 800 students in our college. Whenever students took their admission at very first, at that time, he himself, as a donor, as well as he himself given the food and each and everything, living facility, residential facility for the students, and whatever the fees paid by himself. So due to his efforts, our college has been a very successful way. Our college is going on now. We have completed the NAC cycle also, NAC process also of the first cycle. We have completed it. Now we are processing for our second cycle of the NAC. We have all the three faculties, arts, commerce, as well as the science faculty. And we have completed successfully 19 years now. Tomorrow, not only we, but all our nation is going to a festival, our national festival. We are going to celebrate it 15th of August. It's Independence Day. So behalf of our chairman sahib, our principal and all staff members, I giving warm wishes to all of our Indians, all the national people of our India. Some of the students from our college have passed NET set examination and they are doing job at the various colleges. Some of the students did PhD and they are also serving in the various colleges and institutes. One of the students from our college, Dr. Chetana Patil madam, she also did, she was a student of our college. She did a PhD and now she is serving as a head of the department of the chemistry of our college. Most of the thousands of the students, they have completed their graduation from our college, and very successfully, most of the students, they are doing the job in various faculties. So this is all about the introductory speech about our institution and the college. Now I would like to introduce today's resource person, my very best friend. I'm again very much thankful to the organizers for giving me an opportunity to introduce today's resource person. Today's resource person is Dr. Samir Arun Butala. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Dr. Samir Arun Butala did his MA in geography and he also did a PhD. He also did a geoinformatics diploma from IIT Kharagpur. Now working as the head of the department in the subject geography at Sundarrao More Arts, Science and Commerce College, Poladpur, District Raigad. He have 22 years of teaching experience. He is a Mumbai University Board of Study member in the geography subject. Not now, but since last 15 years, he's been the member of the Board of Studies of the University of Mumbai. Also, he is the resource person in the subject of geoinformatics. He published 22 books related geography from various publications and published more than 30 research papers in the national as well as in the international journals. He also contributed for the Marathi Vishwakosh Part 20 as an expert in geography. It's a very noble work by our Marathi Vishwakosh team. And the sir is an expert in geography in that Vishwakosh, Marathi Vishwakosh also. He has also started Marathi website related to the geography. And he has a YouTube channel related to environmental geography. Whenever there is any problem about the e-content, about the any of the website, about any of the geoinformatics topics, a remote sensing topic, sir, very means, in a very few seconds, he has given the solution of that. He is mastery in the geoinformatics. Whatever the little bit GIS as well as the GPS, I learned a lot of from the Dr. Samir Butala sir. So there is a lot of to say about the Dr. Samir Butala sir, but due to the time limit, this I conclude here. And again, I warmly welcome Dr. Samir Butala sir on behalf of all of us. And again, thankful for him for giving his valuable time for all of us. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Samir Butala sir. Now over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'm very happy that I will get an opportunity to present my work in Sanjeevani Grama Vaidyakiya and Samajik Arts, Commerce and Science College. I know that today's workshop, which is combinedly organized by Department of Mathematics, Department of Physics and Department of Geography. So I am very thankful to these departmental coordinators. Also, I am thankful to this college principal. I can say it's our guru, Dr. Hemanta Bednekar. I also thankful to all committee members of this college. I also thankful to today's webinar coordinator, my friend Dinesh Nair sir, and all participants, all researchers and all students. So my topic, which is advanced technique in online teachings. When we decide the topic with a telephonic discussion to Dr. Hemanta Bednekar. Sir said, sir, please give us a basic simple ideas related online teaching. So I decided to take a simple thing, which is a G Suite. We all are familiar with Google. So Google have a G Suite applications. So today I am going to present or some clues about the Google applications. Okay, so I request the technical persons to please share my screen. Okay. Now, when we start our computers, we see most of the people finding so many problems related when we open just a Google browser. Suppose I just open a Google browser here, and what we find that so many advertisements come out. Most of my friends ask me, Samir, these advertisements are coming out. What can we do? So these advertisements are called pop-up advertised. So first we will see how to close that pop-up advertise. When the advertise come, we become very irritated. So we can't, we not want to do more work. First of all, we see how to close the advertised related to Google. You see the screen, and my first questions that every teachers ask to everyone, am I audible? Nairi sir, आवाज येतो का माझा?
Yes sir, you are audible.
Okay, when we get one thing that so many advertisements pop-up come out and so many windows open automatically, so we become irritated. So that's why first look here in the right corner, there are 3 dots, just click on it, go to the setting. Okay, go to the setting, scroll down, here is a site setting, just click on it, scroll down, and in the last there is an option pop-up redirect. Just click it and block it. Block it, a recommended block. If you block this one, then you don't get any advertise in your this Google browser. So first of all, if we close the pop-up, then we can handle or we can download many applications related to the Google. Okay. Second thing is there is a continuously most of the people now, most our researchers and students are using Windows operating system. We know that there are 3 types of operating system. One is Windows operating system. Second is Apple operating system, and third is Linux operating system. And most of we use the Windows operating system. So there is a message that updates come out, and when we say updates it, so it's take more time to update for it become shut down and it's open it. So what we will do to stop the update, stop the Windows update. Okay. So what will we do? Just click here in this box. Just click this here in this box. Type here the research. Type here service. Type here service. Just click here on a service. Okay. Just scroll down. And here is Microsoft updates. If we close the updates, Windows updates, or Windows updates, Windows installers, here is just go Windows update. Here is Windows update. I just disable it. Double click on it. So new Windows come out. Just stop it. It says stop. Ask to stop. Stop it. Setup type disable and click on OK. Now your Windows will be ready. No message you didn't find on your desktop, and your browser is most of. I suggest to all use the Google Chrome browser, which is very handy to use. On our desktop, there are so many browsers are there. Suppose here is a Mozilla Firefox is there. And many browsers we can use, but I suggest to all for using the Google Suite, G Suite, use the Google Chrome browser. I just logging it as a Gmail, my account here. I log it here. See, here is a login. Here is my login, and my photo is there in this corners. And now just here are some dot group. Just I click here. So these are the Google Suite applications. These are the application. Now today we are going to see these applications. The first application, I just click on it. This applications contains to your account. So when we register or Google, so this account will be automatically created. When we purchase a new phone, so it asks us your Google account. So when we click the same email ID and password, your account is to be eligible for same your Android phone. So this is our account, and these are the details. These are the personal information related to your account. So which Google kept it. So this is a one type of data that we have to provide to Google. Your date of birth, email address, phone numbers, these are details are there. Now, we will see the second, that is we all see the Google search. And third one, my business. So this application which is related to your business. Suppose I am doing one business related to my institute. I just registered here and published. So it's published with the help of map, with the help of my business location, which is very helpful to a GPS businessman. So I just create a location group and I just give my location. So I write here my location. I create one website here and also give us the locations. And when I give the location, the most of the world people, they get the exact business ideas about my business details to them. So this is our best application, G Suite application. Then third one is a map, that we all use this map, but there are different types of map. These are the Google map. Google map is different. Google Earth is different. So Google map, we can use this Google map for our business purpose also. For many purpose we can use Google map. Suppose I want to see, so these are the map which is which of my areas, Mahad. I am belonging for Mahad, and just I click here. My home location, and I want the details about the hotels. I just click here the hotels, and we'll get the ideas where hotels are, which hotels are there. For stay and inside hotels. So we'll get the list and details about the hotels. So this is a branch side of Google. It's very good sites, very good applications. These are the applications. YouTube application, everyone knows that YouTube have its own application. So this is my channel which I created. These are my channels, and most of you follow the YouTube's applications. We create videos, upload the videos that everyone knows, and most of YouTube channels also shows how to create a YouTube channel. Okay. Then after we will see Play Store. This application, which is a Google-based application, but we found this application in our Android phone. So there is a connection between this Play Store to the Android phone. You can download any app with the help of this window. Suppose you open this Play Store in your PC, and you can download an app in your Android phone. Gmail, everyone knows, and GoToMeet also a best application. Now this is a platform for the meetings and discussion platform. These are the GoToMeet application. We do not want to download the GoToMeet. We can easily use GoToMeet. Most of in last decades, last 2-3 months, there is a discussion that Zoom is a very dangerous applications. It's hack our data. So please don't make a misunderstanding. Zoom is not a Google application. Zoom is a separate platform. Zoom is a separate platform, so we can use, and Zoom is also safe platform. Zoom is very safe platform. Same Google Meet also is very platform. So we use various app in our mobile phone. So we never see that app is licensed app or not. We just download and run it, the app. So in this way, Zoom also a very good platform, and with the help of Zoom, we can conduct the meeting. The same platform, Google have GoToMeet. But what happened? Everyone, some people, some of my friends asked me that the data will be stolen. For your information, these are all data which is stolen. Suppose we see every day there are so many mails come out. So when I just open my mail account, I will found what I found that. So there are so many mails which are come out. Day by day, every mails come out. So the question is how the banks how the companies will get my mail, and how I get the mail every day. So here is a Tata company's luxuries mail which I receive. So these mails, these companies provides the data from these applications. So these are the data providers. Zoom also a data provider, Google also a data provider. If just you search anything, automatically your data will be provider. So Zoom and Google will get the money from the data providing, and they gave us you a free service. Zoom also give you a 40-minute free service. Google Meet give you 40-minute free service, and within a service they will see which is a main point. So in this way, every application in Android phone, every game also get the data. Suppose in our mobile, with the help of Play Store, if you download a specific game, so and if you run the game, so automatically when it's running, when it's asked to download, it asks your email, and now then after continuously you will get the mail from this applications. So Google Play Store also safe. Gmail we know, Meter. The most beautiful, we can say most useful application is Contact, which we found in here, contacts. These are all contacts which is related to our phone. Now when we save a specific number in our mobile, it's automatically saved to your Google Contacts. It's automatically saved to your Google Contacts. So in this way, we can manage our phone contacts. We can add our phone contact here. We can manage our contacts. We can merge our contacts. Suppose what happen if I add two numbers simultaneously with the same name? Then we have one problem, that which name how to dial. So here is an application, merge and fix the context. So it shows these two numbers are same. Okay. And I just say, please merge it, add it. So it's become one number which is deleted and the second number will be added. So in this way, so we can manage our mobile contact with this Google application. Then one minute. Okay. Then we will see Google Drive. It's very important. So this drive, we will get the free access from this drive, and we can save everything. So we can save our document, we can save our files in this Google Drive. So we can save this on a folder basis. So these are the folders I save this. Suppose this is my books, which is related to, I just right click it and show you these books which I have written, Paryavarana Abhyas. Okay, I just keep these PPT in this drive. So we can skip our PPTs, we can keep our books, because it's have a heavy file which is about 20 MB. So we can't mail it. So suppose I want to mail this my applications to any person. So what can we do? I just provide them as a drive link. Suppose I want to mail this my books to Nahiri sir. What can I do? I just right click here and just share to him and get a link. I create a link. So this link which is created, copy the link and mail it to a specific friend or your student. So in this way, we directly mail these books with the help of our drive links. So it is very easy to create a drive link. So we can create a Google Form. We know that most of our, in this COVID period, and we see there are n number of Google Forms. We fill the feedback form. So with the help of, we can save all our Google Form from this Google Drive. So this is the Google Form. And we all know how to create the Google Form. So I just create a Google Form. Okay. So, and these are the applications. I'm not going to tell you how to create the Google Form. So it takes more time, but we know whenever I get time, I will create a video how to create a Google Form, and I will supply to you. To create a Google Form, so we know how to create a Google Form. Just for your ideas, I will show how to create a Google Form. These are the click on new, more, and Google Form. Just click on Google Form. The Google Form windows will be open, and just type it. Give us, there are options, so many options are there. So we can use this. Suppose we want to create a question, just click on this button. The question will be create, which types of questions you want, objective, descriptive. So in this way, we can create a Google Form. Okay. So Google Form, Google Drive, with the help of Google Drive, we can store a lot of things, and which is very important. Suppose suddenly your PC become format, then you have to keep your all related important documents to your Google Drive. It's the best to find out the all thesis, research and books document I keep in my Google Drive. My certificates, my important documents which I keep in Google Drive. Suppose I want immediate a book and I want to show the book. So I just create a link and send to them. So Google Drive is the best platform, best application. So now next application, which is calendar. Calendar is also best application. So we can, this calendar help us many of things. So we can manage the calendar. We can make a proposed schedule. We can make a proposed timetable with the help of Google Calendar. If we are going to create a Zoom meeting, and we can schedule this Zoom meeting. So see, call to Patil Sir CKT, I just mentioned here. So these are my work. So with the help of Google Calendar, we can do a lots of things. So the calendar is also a best application of Google. Then after, we will see I just go through this. Translator is also best application which help us in so many teaching method. We always found that how to convert English to Marathi. So we can convert the text in English to Marathi. Suppose here I choose the language English, and here I choose the language Marathi. Just English and Marathi. I just type anyone here. And automatically it's converted in Marathi. In any language we can convert it. Suppose I want to convert it in Bengali, Gujarati. So we can, suppose here is Bengali. So this convert in Bengali. So in this way, the primary concept, primary sentence, we can convert. This translator is also useful to convert a document. Suppose I upload a PDF file Suppose I upload a Word file, so which can be converted in this translator. So these are very good Google applications which help us for teaching method. Now we will see photos. So these are the photos which I directly share to my this Google account. Which photo which is taken from my mobile, I directly give us the links. My photo will be automatically saved to my Google Drive. So my handset will be free. Okay. So in this way, this also very good application of Google. Photos also good, very nice application. Now, after that, Dio also same platform to discuss for video conferencing. Now the shopping is also very good platform. We can use the shopping. Suppose I want to purchase a laptop. So, and I want to know the configuration of laptop, which laptops we can own. These are a range of prices. HP, Dell, Lenovo, Asus. So we will get an idea. These are the Google platform. On Google platform, we just using the Amazon, Flipkarts. So what is the Google price? We can compare these prices to Amazon also, Google. So these are the very nice platform for shopping. So Google also created this platform. See, then after we will see photos, shopping, some news. That also we know. So many new related news we will find day by day. If we active this, we will get the news in our mobile. This application will be actively used. Most of the people use this actively. Now important is Google Docs. With the help of the Google Docs, we can create our own documentation. Okay. Suppose we want to create a brochures, or we want to create a cover page of our project. So we can use this Google document. When click it, we will get some ready project proposals. I just click it. So it gave us some ideas of the proposal, and we can take these ideas and all margins, setup, file, company name, if we goals, specifications. So in this way, we can create our project with the help of this Google Docs. So it's also a very nice application by Google. Then after Google Sheets, that we found that when we create a Google form, how many participants are there? So we can manage the seats. Okay. So suppose here is a Google Drive, and I want to see how many participants visit to my quiz. So these are my quiz. And I want to see how many persons respond to my quiz. I just click here. And now this file shows this Excel format. How many persons visited to my quiz. Okay, these sheets which are called the response, which we found in the Google Sheet. It's work as a Excel format. Same. Google Sheet, Google Slides. So we can create, with the help of, we can create the certificate. Most of the our teachers doing quiz competitions, and when we just create a quiz competition, we have to attach a certificate. Most of our researchers and teachers, they don't know how to attach a certificate to a Google form. So we can create a certificate here. It's work as a PowerPoint presentation. Just click on a blank and you will get some ready formats. It's works same as a PowerPoint presentation. This is the first slide. So these are the ready-made slides are here. We can take these slides with the help of just I click here and we can create a certificate with the help of this. Okay, I just type my college name and certificate. I type a number of material. I just drag it same as a PowerPoint. So in this way, we can create our certificate and we can link the certificate to the Google form. Okay, so it's take more time. So I not want to spare more time on how to create a certificate and how to join the certificate to the Google form. So slide also very good. Books. This is a very good application as a G Suite application from the Google. Suppose I want to know the GIS book. I just click here and we will get a number of books related to GIS. Some books we will get a freely. So second page of Google. So in this way, related to our study area, we get a number of books. So the books also very good applications from the Google. Then after books also there. Now blogger. Suppose I want to write my blog. So here is my one blog is here. Every teachers we can use to write a blog for teachers, for students. So I write here a one blog related to my topic, environmental studies. Okay. Now I want, for that, what we do, first we have to make a login here. Okay. And now I want to write another blog. So I create here new post. What is the status of my blog? Just check it. What comments I get from the all times, what comments I get. Suppose I create a specific blog. So it gives me the earning. Layout my blog, themes on my blog. There's so many numbers, so many things which we can create, and we can create our blog. And with this blog, we can show our abilities to the community. Suppose I want to create a new blog. Just I click new post. So these are the new posts, save, and just type it what you want to type. Suppose I have some material related to blog. If I have material, then I can copy and paste also. Suppose I have some material related to geography of Maharashtra and I want to publish this material as a blog. Okay, so I just copy this. I just close this window and I just logging in the blog. I just keep control V. So these are my blog. I just see the preview, how my blog which is look like. Okay. So I have to write proper. So these are my blog look like. So it's all right here. And we can see the preview also. And if I become satisfied with my blog, I published it with the label name, publish date, and we can copy the link same. We can copy our blog link here and send to our friends. So in this way, we can create our own blog. Okay. So these are also very G Suite platform, G Suite applications, which is very useful to us. Then after, we will see Hangouts is the same applications for like WhatsApp and Twitter. Keep also a very good application. The Keep application we can use for so many purposes. We can use the Keep for notes making, humble writings. So these are the Keep applications. But so many applications. Jamboard is a very good application for the teaching and learning method. Here is a Jamboard, and if you want to start a Jamboard, here is a plus icon. Just click on the plus icon. I just click here, plus icon. So this canvas will be open. And these are the small tools. Okay. So these are the first tool, that is a pen. So I can write here with the help of mouse. Okay. Just anything. I want to erase it. Suppose I want to write with the text, I can write. But in this Jamboard, one very good application, that is a sticky note. Okay. Suppose I click on sticky notes. So notes will be come out. I just type here. So I just click here and click OK. So this is my sticky note will be generated. So I keep the sticky notes. I wrote him as I want. Suppose import a specific image. So I click here. We can drag the image from our PC, from Google Drive, from photo. I just click here. Suppose I want this photo, I just open it. It's upload. So we can create our syllabus, photo folder related to our syllabus. Upload it. Write sticky notes to the photo, and which is very helpful to show as a learner. It's take some time to upload. Okay. So we'll try another image. The image is so blur. Suppose I use this. Okay. So these photos which is come out. So I can put the photo as per my view. I just drag it. I want to change this sticky note or drag the sticky note. I keep this sticky note on this photo. Just click it, drag it. And I can edit also my sticky note. So in this way, I can make a presentation. So I can make a greeting which shows to student. Okay. So in this way, so these are the Jamboard. So we can use Jamboard as a application. So we can join this Jamboard to Google Class. We can join the Jamboard to Google Class. So everyone knows some persons are using Google Classroom. And Google Classroom is also a best platform for teaching and learning method. Here is my TY class, Google class is here. So I can create a class here, join the class, and we can join the Jamboard to our Google Class. Google Class is a Google G Suite application, which is very Google Earth is there. Google Earth, that everyone knows Google Earth. So these are the Google Earth applications, and most of our geographers know how to use the Google Earth application. Okay. Now, we will see after Google Earth, some collections, artistic collections. So here are some artistic collections. My collection photos. Suppose I have some photos which I collected, so I can keep the photos as a collection photo. These photos which I created as a collection photos with the help of folders. And some artistic, some arts and cultural documents, suppose I want to create. So these are the best platforms, best application from the Google. Then after now the new Google application which is come out, that is Google Ad. We found that in every WhatsApp and Facebook advertising, so we can create our own business with the help of Google Ads. So Google Ads also very best application as a G Suite application. Then after these are the broadcast, we can say broadcast. So these are the some channels of broadcast, BBC News. So we can join any channels which is tied to the Google. So these are regular applications which I used. So it's come out in my Google window. Then more than these are the G Suite applications. So these are the G Suite applications. So these applications are very, Zoom also now tied to G Suite. So these are the G Suite applications. There are n number of G Suite applications. If we see, some applications are, most of applications are free and we have to register them. But don't make a mistake that Google applications are different and Microsoft applications are different. Suppose these are my Windows, which is from the window basis. Microsoft have their own store. Just I click here. These are the Microsoft store here. These are the Microsoft applications, which also gaming applications is there, entertainment application is there, productivity application is there. So some applications are very free. We can use, we can download. Microsoft also start GIS platform. So these are the best application. I use most of Microsoft application because if you have a license copy of Microsoft Windows, then we can use this Microsoft application. Okay. So these are a small introduction of the G Suite application, but some specific application that we are going to see in this that is a AutoDraw. It's a very teaching, very good application. This is also G Suite application. AutoDraw. I just click here. This is, suppose I want to, in this is a one very nice tool, that is AutoDraw. I just click it. Suppose I want to draw a car. My drawing is not good, just I click, create a car here and just drag it. So you will get the ready pictures of cars, a number of. So in this way, we can create some image related to our subject. Okay, these are the shapes. So we can fill the color. Suppose I want to fill the colors. In this way, We can fill the colors. So there are a number of pictures. So we can drag here. So in this way, we can create pictures related to our geography subject. Shapes. Suppose I create one shape here. Sorry. I create one shape here. I just click, select, drag here. Now, we will use the auto draw tools to create a world map here. We want to create a globe. So we will see some globes here. If we drag here, so related to my drawing is here and not good. If we draw this, we can create a map. So in this way, we can create a map. This is the best G Suite application. So for that, we have to make a login here, and we can download these pictures which we created. We can share these pictures to our student. AutoDraw is also a best application that we can use. Now, one best application that we are going to see, that is a MindMaster. Suppose here I want to create one mind plan. So these are my mind plan. So I want to make a classification of rocks. So this is the one type classification of igneous rock. So these points I want to create a diagram with the help of classification of rocks. And I want to, if I draw a graph, it's easy to teach. Okay. So for that, go to the Google and type MindMaster. MindMaster. So here is a MindMaster application, which is, these are the MindMaster applications. Go to download. There are 3 versions. So this middle version, MindMaster, which is free. Hadromax and another which are payable applications. So MindMaster application, just go to download and it's download automatically. If you download, see these are the download application in my download folder. Okay, I just already download this MindMaster and keep it on my desktop. So these are the free application, and we can create a diagrams with the help of this G Suite application. Which diagram? Suppose I want to create a right map here. I just click on here. So now I want to create my this. I create here data. You can type also or copy paste. I just copy here, Control C. Then go to the MindMaster. I just double click here, delete this, and Control V. It say keep it up. It said okay. Now I want to change the font. I want to increase the font. So there are some applications, so I can increase the font or decrease the font. Okay. Now, so we can change the color of same pictures. So I want to create 2 things, 2 types. One is here. Second is according to the place formation. I just copy each and just double click it and paste it. Keep yes. Then third one, suppose I want to create this one, B. I just copy it, double click it, and paste it. So I want to sub column here, create. So here is a plus sign. We can make a plus sign. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way, so these are my first. I just copy it. I just paste it. I want to more sub column. So also we can create more sub column with the help of this plus sign. So in this way, we can create a number of flowcharts, which help us for teaching, which help us to understand a specific diagram to the student. So we can insert an image also here. Suppose I want to write some notes related to the classification of Ignosra. I just right click. Okay. And I want to create some, insert some important notes related. So I create on notes. When Windows comes, suppose this is my notes, which I just type it here. I just copy it and paste it here. Keep it yes and keep it okay. When the students they see or we are use this mind map in PowerPoint presentation, I just my cursor come on this specific symbol, the definition, the concept will be automatically displayed. So in this way, we can create our mind map, which is help to student for a teaching method. This is the best application. Every application is best. So this is the best application as a G Suite application. Okay. So we can save this application as a save as or save application. We can export this application as a PDF format, as a JPG format. And I don't want to save. So we can save this application. So this is the best application as a G Suite application. Now, now I'm going to show you how to create our own website. It's very simple. Go to Google. Okay. Just type with the help of Google, we can create also website. But Wix.com is a very nice site. So with the help of, we can create our own website. We can build our own website. So get started. Wix.com. Okay. Sorry. One minute. Huh?
So, sir, your screen is stopped at MindMaster.
Okay, okay.
Can I?
Yes,
can
yes,
I
sir.
do something?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now start, sir.
Okay, just share. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, Wix.com. So these are the sites. You have to first logging to your site. So we can create a new site. These are my websites, which I create from these.
Not visible, sir.
Not visible.
Yes.
So what can we do?
Share once again, sir.
Share
Go back and share once again.
Just stop and save again.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Now it is visible.
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Just I close all and start again.
Yes, restart again.
Restart. Okay. Now let's stop here. Go and share the screen. Now it is visible. Sir.
Just showing name, sir. Dr. Samir Budala has started screen sharing, but screen not too visible, sir.
Okay. What can we do?
1 minute, sir. Share with press, sir. Share with press.
Okay, share it. Now it is okay. I just open, share it.
No, sir. There is problem.
Okay. I close all applications. Now what can we do? There is a problem. So I have to restart my PC. Nothing to do. So it's take more time, and it is impossible.
No, not needed, sir. Not needed. You just end the meet. You can leave the meeting and again rejoin.
Again join. Sir. Okay, मी बंद
That is
करतो.
the solution.
मी
That is
बंद
the
करतो
solution.
आणि पुन्हा चालू करतो.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Samir sir, unmute yourself.
Okay. Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible, sir.
Now just I open Google. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So, we will move to our last session. That is how to create a website. Okay. So these are my websites. I will show you. We will go to wix.com. So Wix also very good sites. We can create our build our own websites. So with the help of Wix, we can create our own website. So these are my sites, which is just if you just logging it, so we can see all things. This is a just create a new site. Click on it. I just create. I will show how to create a website. If you make a login, I just create a login. It's ask you 2 or 3 questions related your sites. Suppose I want to create a sites for designers, as a bloggers, as a businessman, as a photographer. Just I click here as a photographer. So it's asked me create a new website. You can choose any with the templates. So some templates are readily give us. We can use any templates. Suppose I use these templates and I just click on edit. I just click on edit. It start automatically. Okay, it's take some time to edit. Now it is started. It's open upon your connection now. It gets started. These are the main theme is here. So we can change the theme. These are the main page. So if you want to change the page, you can change your own page. Just click here on a page. So we can change the image. We can drag and drop the image from our PC also. So we can create a menu page. So these pages are which is already created. Suppose we want to create more pages. So we can add more pages here. Or I want to add here one pages after home. I just click here, add a page. So new page come out. So I just double click here, rename the page about us and click on done. So in this way, so we can create a page. Here is a home page and I want to see the preview. Just I click and click on home. So second option which is come here. So back to editors. So in this way we can create a number of column related to taskbar. And suppose these are the menu page. And in this home page, I want to write something. I just, or in this page, I just click here and we can rename it, or these are the page and we can copy and paste the same material here, same type. 1 minute, my file which I have closed. So these are the material which I can copy and paste here. And with the help of this material, suppose I just copy this material and paste there. In this way we can, I just copy it and put in this Wix website. Okay. So when it's open, I just add one page more right here. One. Done. So we can do the setting here. We can set here and copy and paste the same sites. Okay. So it's my computer is become very busy because of net connections. It becomes slow. So it working very slow. So we can see how the sites will be seen as a mobile mode and as a PC mode. So we can save here, we can preview, save here, preview and published. Then you will get the link, just copy and paste it. I will show you some sites which I create same. 1 minute. So these are my first sites which I create with the help of Wix. My net becomes slow. This is a website which I create for TYBS student. Okay. So these are my front page. That subject which is Maharashtra's Bhugol, and the topic which I have divided in 5 parts. Maharashtra, Sarvasadaran Maharashtra. When I click it, we get the details. Encyclopedia references. Then some videos which I keep. Then about the Maharashtra. Maharashtraची प्राकृतिक रचना. So in this way, I covered topic and subtopic in the sites, like question paper pattern and some maps, images which I keep. So it's very helpful to students to understand the geography of Maharashtra with the help of the Wix sites. Okay. So I created 2-3 websites. Which is one website. My college student, my students create some maps. Just they draw these are map. This map which is drawn by my student. So they make a map which is a handwritten map, very nice map which is created by a student. So I create the websites to that student, and they are very happy that they get 10 sites with their map. A simple site which I created, just click here. So these are my student name and their websites. I just click on the map. So they will see their maps on websites. So in this way, we can encourage our student for their work. So we can create our website. These are my third website, which is I created. How to read a map, weather map. How to read weather map. A simple site with the help of Wix. I just click this, create these websites. So I create this symbol also, home, about, what is mean by weather, the concept weather. Then these are the weather instruments. Then the symbol, signs and symbols. these are the signs and symbols. So these are the sky symbols, and these are the sea symbols. Then how to read a map? Some examples which I gave them. So here is a map, some questions and their answers, and some examples to map here. So in this way, student help how to read a weather map. So these sites help students for this. Now with the help of your college Honorable Principal Dr. Hemanta Pednekar sir, so we create our EVS map sites. So most of EVS student, they have to last topic practical, how to read a map. So we gave us 30 map. The map number 1, just I click on map number 1. The mountains in the world. Second, the most polluted rivers in the world. So in this way, so they can see the map on a one click. So these sites can be open on your phone also. So whenever they get time, they will see the map, and their map study will be very easy. So in this way, so we can create our environmental maps. So in this way, we can create a website also. Now, within some week, I am going to start my own platform. That is a QGIS course in Marathi. The work which I have created, which is on a final stage. So I request all, I will send you all message within a 1 week. We will see there is a Marathi platform of a QGIS. So very thankful to all that listening me, and thankful to all the teams, all the department of physics and mathematics. Now I hand over this to Mahire sir. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for such
Okay.
an wonderful session. I will put my sincere thanks on the record on behalf of my college. Sir had covered all the Google apps, G Suite, Google Sheet, Google Docs, and how to remove the ads, or how to remove our automatic updates of our websites. It is our great privilege. We have a great personality within us. Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful session. Now we will proceed to the question and answering session. Can we, sir?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. So I will request to Professor Sutar sir and Ingole sir, please ask the question from the participants.
Good evening, everyone. One question from Dr. Krishna.
Sir,
Can
please.
we use
Please loudly.
Please.
one question from Dr. Krishna?
Uh,
Can we use one Google form for daily attendance without creating new one?
याच्यात विचारू का प्रश्न?
we can create one Google form for many questions or many. Please, sir.
Can I repeat?
Yes, please.
Can we use one Google form for daily attendance without creating new one?
We can use one Google form for area attendance without creating a new attendance. Oh, yes, we can. So for that, we have to make an adjustment related to the form date and day. So we can use the form for daily attendance. So I also used in my class 1. I gave us a link. I create a link. I gave us the link on a WhatsApp. Every day, my student will be make attendance on a Google form. and we can use this for also for our collecting the data also. Same data we can use every day. Okay. Otherwise,
Another one question
from
from
Divya
Divya
Pandey.
Pandey.
okay.
Digital writing pad
Writing pad
or
or
Blackboard
Blackboard
teaching?
teaching.
Which one
Which
better?
one better?
Digital writing or
Blackboard teaching.
Blackboard teaching also better. But with the
Which
help of digital, so we can connect to all the World Web. So suppose I want to show, teach the concept of volcano. So we can't draw volcano details activities. So in this way, we have to use the digital platform to teach the student.
Okay, thank you, sir. Another question
Another question
from
from
Swati Shinde.
Swati Shinde.
Can we
Can
add
we add
shapes
shapes
in
in
sticky notes?
sticky notes?
Can we add
Shapes
Shapes
in
in
sticky notes?
sticky notes?
how we can save na? Hello.
Add
Oh, can we add
shapes in
Shape.
sticky notes.
Sticky notes.
yes?
Yes. Next question.
Next question from
Question from
Sachin
Sachin.
Sir,
Surana.
your voice is disconnecting. Please, sir.
Next question from Sachin Surana.
Okay.
How to disable the Google Classroom assignment backup to Google Drive?
The Google Classroom.
Google Classroom assignment backup to Google Drive.
Okay.
To ask how to make a backup for Google Drive or
For
Google
Google
Classroom. I
Classroom.
think they want to ask.
Yes.
Yes.
For Google Drive. Okay. So every day you create your Google Class some questions. So we can take a backup with the help of screenshot also, and with the help of there are so many options. If we go to see the details about the Google Classroom, so there are so many options. We can save our questionnaires. We can save our student response.
हॅलो सर. हॅलो सर.
Yes.
हा फॉर्म आपण क्रिएट करून विद्यार्थ्यांना असाइनमेंट देऊ शकतो का सर?
हो, देऊ शकतो ना.
हा थँक्यू. फॉर एक्झाम्पल.
थँक्यू
सर, तुमचा आवाज ओळखला मी. थँक्यू. देऊ शकतो सर, आपण असाइनमेंट देऊ शकतो.
Yes. Is there any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you for all. Now I will request to Professor Sachin Ingole to propose vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all. On the behalf of our institution, I express my sincere gratitude towards the dynamic personality and the chief guest of the today's webinar, Dr. Samir Butala sir, for giving valuable time for us and enriching our knowledge. Sir has given substantial information about advanced techniques in online teaching. I am grateful to the esteemed president of our institution, Honorable Vijay Patil Sahib, for his moral support. I am also thankful to the principal of our college for giving permission for conducting this webinar. I am also thankful to Dr. Chatna Patil Madam for being with us on this occasion. I thank all the participants who have given overwhelming response to this webinar. Without your response, this program was not possible. I extend my thanks to the organizing committee, Professor Damone sir, Nikam sir, Mahale sir, Naire sir, Sutar sir, for organizing such a wonderful webinar. I am also thankful to the teaching and non-teaching staff of our college. Thank you once again, one and all, for making this program a grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Samir sir, thank you.
Okay.
Now we will provide a feedback link on the WhatsApp group.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Dr.
and within 5 to 6 days, you get the certificates, participant certificates. Yes.
Thank you, Butala sir.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Very nice.
सगळ्यांचे हार्दिक हार्दिक आभार.
सोमशी सर बोला, सोमशी सर.
नाही सर, खरंच छान. नाही, बुटाला सर, व्हेरी नाईस.
व्हेरी नाईस सेशन.
सर, व्हेरी नाईस, व्हेरी नाईस.